Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best indoor dog potty that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the PetSafe PetLoo Portable Indoor Dog Potty. This dog potty system is our top pick because it offers the best of both worlds, effectiveness and value for money. While there are some other pee pads that work pretty effectively as well, they come with natural grass and need to be replaced very often, which can be very expensive over a period of time. The synthetic grass doesn't need to be replaced, and you also wouldn't have to deal with any soil or grass mess. The tray the grass is clipped to is slanted to allow the urine to seep through to the waste bin without getting stuck in the grass. Unlike some other indoor dog potty pee pads, the synthetic grass this product comes with doesn't absorb the urine much, which helps keep odor and smells at bay. A unique wee sponge powder is also included in the package that turns the urine into a solid, gel-like substance that doesn't let the urine escape to the floor or give off a bad odor or smell. Dogs can get used to the potty system fairly easily. However, if your furry buddy doesn't take a liking to it quickly, you can purchase PetSafe Skip to My Loo separately, which should help your dog better adapt to this potty system. This indoor dog potty from PetSafe offers everything you can ask for to have a completely hassle-free, odor-free potty system for your dog, but without having to replace the system every now and then. Moving on at number 4, we have the Synturfmats Pet Indoor Potty Patch. While our top pick is actually a great value for money, it does come with a hefty price tag. But what if you're on a tight budget? Well, in that case, this product is what you would want to go for. It has 3 layers: artificial, synthetic grass, a grid tray that helps keep the grass dry, and the base tray at the bottom that collects the urine. It's not as convenient as the product we reviewed above, especially when it comes to disposing of the urine, but that's pretty much the only drawback. Other than that, it's surprisingly easy to clean. You just need to rinse it with soapy water. The grass really does stay dry, and most importantly, there's no odor. Thanks to the grass that looks realistic, most dogs take to this product pretty quickly. So, it can be a budget-friendly way of avoiding all the mess your furry beast may be causing around the house. The Synturfmats Indoor Dog Potty is being offered at a surprisingly low price, especially for how effective it actually is. Sure, you don't have the convenience of solidifying the urine like the top pick above does, but other than that, there's really nothing to complain about this product. At number 3, we have the BrilliantPad Automatic Self-Cleaning Indoor Dog Potty. Now, this is a wonder product for puppies. However, it's only designed for puppies and can't be used for adult dogs. But it's one of the few potty systems that can actually handle number 2 as well and not just urine. It boasts an automatic system with super absorbent pad rolls that seal and wrap the waste after your pup is done with its business. However, its smart sensor ensures that it never rolls when your dog is on the product. The edges of the machine are designed in a way to prevent any spills on the floor, which can really turn out to be useful when your puppy relieves itself near the edge. Finally, the product is more eco-friendly than other similar ones, and the roll disposal is easy. The BrilliantPad Indoor Dog Potty does come with an expensive price tag, but boy, is it worth every penny. If you have a puppy and would like something that can handle both their number 1 and number 2 almost completely hands-free, you would be hard-pressed to find a better option. At number 2, we have the Doggy Lawn Indoor Disposable Dog Potty. If you have a puppy or a medium-sized dog that wouldn't take to anything but real grass, then this product from Doggy Lawn will be right up your alley. It comes with real grass that's grown hydroponically. You would get all the benefits of real patch grass with this product. There would hardly be any dog that wouldn't take to it immediately, as most dogs love to do their business on natural grass anyway. These disposable real grass dog potties absorb the odor really well and are completely odor-free. It's a great biodegradable option as both the grass and the cardboard tray are made from environmentally friendly materials. After using the product for a couple of weeks, you will have to discard it away and get a new one. This means that its replacement cost can add up. The feel of the grass makes all the difference, with the unique design from DoggieLawn only keeping the dirt mat an inch thick, which also helps avoid all the issues otherwise associated with a product made of natural grass. And finally at number 1, we have the LOOBANI Dog Potty Systems. The LOOBANI Dog Potty System comes with 2 fake grass mats, which give your pet the comfort that they are using the real deal. It comes in 3 sizes, which is suitable for most dogs. It has a triple layer design with a layer of synthetic grass on top. Underneath the grass is a drainage gate to catch solids. The final bottom layer is a durable collection tray to catch liquid waste. This LOOBANI system uses reusable grass that is very easy to clean. It can be cleaned with warm soapy water or the gush of a water hose. You can empty the collection plate easily. It can be used indoors or outdoors and is perfect for homes or high-rise apartments. It is a great tool for potty training and is suitable for old or sick pets. Your pet can use it if you're away for long hours and is portable enough for travel. We love the easy-to-use design, which holds all the waste thanks to the triple-layer design. You can use the LOOBANI Dog Potty System indoors or outdoors, which is suitable for training or taking care of sick or old dogs. We appreciate its easy-to-clean design. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.